Hi, I'm Dr. Olivia, Lifestyle GP at Real Healthy Me. Happy June! It's a public holiday for us here in New Zealand, so I'm just in my casual gear. However, I'll still like to maintain our Monday chats, so here we go. This week, we will conclude our series on resilience. This will be with a workshop on food, nutrition and resilience for children, and we will be talking about how to build health from the cell up so that it will help our children's mental and emotional resilience just almost naturally, really. So if you're a parent like myself, yes, it does make them a much better housemate around the house and much easier to live with. And we will be doing this with Dr. Julia Ruckledge of University of Canterbury, and this is on the 6th of June at 10 a.m. here in Christchurch, so I hope to see you then. Then also, do you know we run focus groups every week? And this is on a Tuesday evening at about 6:30, but we will play a delayed viewing after that. And I'll show you a wee script, a little sample of what we do on a weekly basis.
So what's your recipe for growing healthy children, Jules?
Fruit, veg, and dirt.
And what about you, Melissa? Because you've got big grown-up children.
Yeah. Mine are going to be 21 this week, and I think a recipe is providing lots of relationships outside your family unit, so they actually know they've got lots of other adults that they can go to, and experiencing different approaches to parenting.
Boom and bank as well, because your parents have done something for us to be so lucky to have you on our team. So what do you think your parents have done that helped you to be who you are today, or your family? Or
I think exercise and physical activity matters a lot. And then avoiding junk food or fast food in early age, and avoiding sugar, like more sugary content and all.
For me, from my experience, Mom always supported me with what I do, something that I enjoy, and of course stopped me from doing something that's not gonna turn out good.
I think you're all right. So basically, love is the most important ingredient. Doesn't really matter what environment we came from, because on our team, we've come from all different sorts of background, culture, but what we have a family who love us a lot.
So what do you think? Do subscribe as a Real Healthy Me VIP if you would like something like this on a weekly basis, and the topics do change every week and the theme changes every month. This is only for $5 a week, so I hope it's affordable. It's an affordable way for you to engage and sort of stay on track with your health goals. So have a lovely week, and I look forward to seeing you either in clinic, virtually, or even at the workshop this weekend. Have a good rest. Bye.